In a small Nebraska town, Silas inherited a farm during a record-breaking drought. While neighbors packed their trucks and headed for the city, Silas stayed. Every morning, he hauled water from a distant creek, drop by drop, for his struggling corn. People called him a dreamer, but he called it resilience. He remembered his grandfather's words: "The soil doesn't give, it reflects what you put in." 2 years later, the rains finally returned. While other fields remained barren and abandoned, Silas's farm turned a brilliant, lush green. He didn't just grow a crop, he proved that grit is the only bridge between a dream and its reality.